Hello YouTube.
Okay.
It's me, TGHD, with another one of these knows. Let's get outside the light. Gone. Oh wait. Come on. Let's get on. No. Holy crap! I actually almost did it. Yeah, you may notice on my camera about this. Holy crap!
Spin, man, spin.
Come on. Yeah, there we go. Got it.
What the? Yay.
Alright, now. Release the shark!
Dun 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 dun. Release.
That was epic. That was good.
Yay.
Yay. Gotta put some loves and laughters. And let's see what I got. I got these. Yeah, these are the encore.
I
got these.
Encore. I have nothing with me.
See, I got these for the encore.
How many of those do you have?
What's that noise? Seriously. What the hell? That glitch always happens to me. What the hell? I don't know why that always happens.
Better.
Alright, I just released like everything I have. So anyway.
Better turn off we speak.
So.
I am king of Harrison.
So YouTube. You know, I have been fooling around a lot with these videos, but now it's time to get serious. I'm gonna put more creative videos, more better videos than these. So expect more coming, YouTube. And also go subscribe to this guy's channel, ACFan120. Rate, comment, and subscribe. See ya.